Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix your Windows license supports only one display language here in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is you need to press Windows and R key together in your keyboard so that you would be able to open the small window called Run. Here you need to type for Reg to edit. Again, it is Reg edit, then click on OK to proceed. So the moment you have the click on it, the user account control will ask you to confirm. Just go with yes so that you would be able to see this new window which is called registry editor. We're here, you need to follow this registry path. Just have to post this video so that you can take a note of it, or you can simply take a screenshot or picture of this registry path. Okay? Just have to follow this registry path. Okay? And replace it here at the address bar and then click on enter. Okay. Again, you need to go with hkey underscore local underscore machine, then go with system. Then you need to go with current control set. Once done, proceed on control and then go with NIS and find the file folder named language. Okay. The moment you have to find it, there you have that you would be able to see the language. Here, you need to minimize this first. Okay, and you need to open any of your favorite browser or whatever browser that you have in your Windows. Okay, in my case I'll be using the Google Chrome. Okay, you just have to open it and wait until this Windows search bar will be available for you. Here you need to paste a link. Okay, just have to copy this link at the description box below. Okay, so just have to paste it here at the Windows search bar, and the moment you have the pasted it, just have to click on enter to proceed. Or you can simply search for 5 Appendix A product behavior on Microsoft.com, then you'll be able to see all of this. Okay? Just have to scroll down, and the moment you have the scroll down, you would be able to see this table, which contains the language, the location, the language ID, the language tag, and the supported version. Now, in our case, we'll be copying or we'll be using the language ID so that we would be able to change the language on what we prefer. So, if you are a Spanish, then you want to set the windows into the Spanish language throughout in your applications, in your settings, or in your windows, in the entire windows, then you need to locate for Spanish here. So just have to scroll down and locate the Spanish language. So let's continue on scrolling down until we find it. Just have to be patient and finding such. So I can see it here. Now, the Spanish would depend on what location you are in. Okay. So let's say, for example, if you are Spanish and you lived in Costa Rica or you lived in Colombia, okay, so just have to select what Spanish or what location you are in the Spanish. And then here, aligning to that, you can see there a language ID or language code. Now, here's the catch. You need to copy the last four code, which is here, 240A. Just have to copy it. Control C to copy, or you can simply take a note of it. Okay? And just have to write it in your notebook, or you can simply paste it here at the notepad. Okay? So whatever process would you follow, just have to copy that. You can go with it and then simply minimize this window first. Okay, now here you need to go back to your registry editor. Okay, now you need to proceed on the center of your screen. You can see their default and then install language. Now go with the default first, and you need to paste the language ID on what we have just copied earlier, which contains the language ID of the Spanish Colombia. Okay, just have to click on OK to apply. And here as well as the install language, just copy it as well or paste it here and then click on OK. So the moment you have the click on it, just have to close all of these file folders. And then you need to close this registry editor window as well. And here, this is the time that you need to restart your computer. Now, it is very important to restart your computer to make any changes and the actions that we have just performed earlier. So, the moment you have relaunched your Windows, there you have that you have just successfully set the Windows language into the Spanish language. Now, congratulations, okay? So that's it. If you think this video helps, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care, everyone.